This week on LIC Presents Journey in the Life of an Indian, we profile two individuals who dared to take the road less traveled. A college student himself, Babar Ali is providing free education to hundreds of underprivileged children. Malli Mastan Babu gave up a high-flying corporate career to become the fastest seven summiteer in the world by scaling the highest peaks in record time. Young and diligent 9-year-old Umarani Khatun spends her morning doing household chores. A helping hand for her aging grandmother. Until recently, this girl could never dream of going to school.
Some boys after age like 12 years or 11, 12 years, they are working as a construction laborers, day laborers in Kolkata, in Delhi, in Bangalore, in Chennai. They are coming from our places. And in the morning, they are also collecting the wastage from the nearest city, Barhampur. The girls also working in the houses. These kinds of students, mostly downtrodden peoples, they are coming at my school.
Now at 3 in the afternoon, Umarani has some place to be. With hope in her eyes, she packs her bags and leaves for Anando Shiksha Niketan. And this is the story of hundreds of children living in Bhapta village of Murshidabad in West Bengal.
Many guardians, they are sending their children to take the real education, and you know that to send the girls' children, there is a steep position in the society. So I need to visit every houses, also along with my teachers, to convince them, though it was difficult for me. And you know that in my school, 60% are girls are students of my school now.
A humble abode of learning, Anando Shiksha Niketan is the brainchild of Babar Ali. With a tin shed for a roof and barely any infrastructure, Babar has been spreading the light of education from the backyard of his family home. His mission: to impart free education to those who are less fortunate than him.
स्कूल में पढ़ के मैं बड़ा होकर मैं यहाँ नर्स बनना चाहती हूँ। मैं बड़ा होकर बाबर अली की जैसे बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके, हमको इंग्लिश में अच्छा लगता है। আমি অনেক দূর থেকে আসি, বাবর আলী আমাকে খুব ভালো পড়ায়।
Babar Ali was only 9 when he started on this unique journey. Instead of playing with his friends like other children his age, on returning from school, this compassionate boy would don the role of a teacher. Helping other children learn the valuable lessons they were missing out on.
I took it as my game, like I the teacher, they are the students. So that time there was no chalks, no blackboard, no proper syllabus. I only shared them my own syllabus, the alphabets, the Bengali alphabets, English alphabet, and there is the tiles, Bengali tiles. I break them and make them like a blackboard.
12 years later, Babar Ali has tenaciously stuck to his role of a teacher. Teaching students of class 8, Babar is humbled by the acts of his former students who have returned to his school to volunteer as teachers.
আমি বাবর আলী স্কুলে 1 থেকে 8 পর্যন্ত এখানে পড়াশোনা করেছি। যখন সেই স্কুলটা প্রথম তৈরি করে তখন থেকে, এবং আমি যতদিন পর্যন্ত এখানে পড়াশোনা করেছি, পড়াশোনা করার পর আমি কলেজে গিয়েছি। ওখানে বর্তমানে আমি বহরমপুরে পড়াশোনা করছি। ওখান থেকে পড়াশোনা করার পর 2টোর সময় আমি এখানে বাড়ি আসি। বাড়ি এসে আবার আমি পুনরায় আমার ছোট ছোট ভাই বোনদেরকে স্কুলে আবার পড়াচ্ছি।
Coming from a modest background himself, Babar Ali lives with his family in a thatched home. While his mother continues to look after household chores, Babar's father sells jute to earn a livelihood.
We are basically depend on agriculture and also agricultural product like jute or agriculture. So as a villagers, we are in simple and in poor. But my father's always told that there is no substitute of education. But he is trying to his level best to send me the school.
An addition to Babar's family is Tullu Hazra. A fishmonger by profession, Tullu earns a meager income to run her household. But it is what she does alongside her job that gives her immense happiness.
বন্যার পরে থেকে 8 সাল থেকে বাবর আলী স্কুলে গেলাম, যে বাবর আলীকে বলছি, বাবর আলী আমার ছেলেটাকে যে আমি পড়াতে পারছি না, তা কি এর ব্যবস্থা কি করবো বাবা? তা বলছে মাসি যা তোমার লাতিনের ব্যবস্থা লাগে আমার স্কুলে ভর্তি করে দাও, যা লাগে আমি তাই সব ওর খরচ আমি দিয়ে ওকে পড়াবো। এখন মনে করে আমার লাতনিকে আমি ভরে দিলাম, দিয়ে আমি মাছ বেচি আর বিকালবেলায় আমার লাতনিকে নিয়ে চলে যায়। এরকমভাবে গরিবের মেলা ছেলেপিলা দেখছি, গায়ে ঘরে সব রাস্তায় ধুলে কাদা নিয়ে খেলা করছে। আমি যে বলছি ভাবি এইসব ছেলেপিলা স্কুল যায় না কেন? তা আমরা পয়সা বগরে পড়াতে পারি না। তা আমাদের একটা স্কুল আছে বাবর আলীর স্কুল, আমার লাতনিকে দিয়েছি। ও কাঙ্গাল গরিবের ছেলেপিলে পড়ায় বিনি পয়সা। এই ছেলেপিলে আমি গাঁ থেকে যাই আর গাঁ থেকে যখন ছেলেপিলাগুলোকে সবাইকে নিয়ে আসি।
Tullu Hazra spends her afternoons at Anando Shiksha Niketan, where she is entrusted with the task of ensuring that Babar's students are punctual and disciplined.
Tullu Hazra is uneducated. She is a fishermonger. Though she has the great interest in education, she also became convinced about my work. So she came forward to helping me since 7 years. She is in the morning, she sells the fish in the village market. In the afternoon, to bring the children who are deprived from the education.
21 years old, Babar is currently pursuing a distance learning course in English literature. As he strives to overcome his own adversities, Babar has brought the joy of learning to read and write to hundreds of young ones. He is determined to bring about a wave of change in not only his village, but the entire nation.
In CBSE 10th standard, my biography is there. Also, Government of Karnataka in their pre-university course, they are also enlisted my biography as a part of lessons. So many of the students, basically from the South India part, they are also approached me. They are also want to do this kind of work to spread the light of education among all the children and in our country. I have also started another school 3 kilometers far away from my present home in Shankorpada village, and the building is under construction. I think the students will get the building very soon, and it is also our dream project.
A young visionary, Babar Ali set out on a journey which began with a handful of children but blossomed into a full-fledged movement. We salute his courageous spirit, compassion and determination.
I want to be a student forever, and beside my own studies, I also continue my teaching, and education for all is my dream. To actualize my long cherished dream, I need to do many more works, and I hope I will do that. And I remember the Swamiji's message, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.